Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today's video is my February month favorites, where I'm gonna put all my favorite products together and give a mini review about those products. So without any further wasting time, let's get directly into the video. So the first product I'm gonna be talking about is this face wash. It is from Face Shop. So in case if you don't know, Face Shop is a South Korean skincare brand. So it is a rice water bright foaming cleanser. It leaves your skin super soft and super smooth. It consists of rice extract and it also contains a vitamin A, B and E, which will help in hydrating your skin even after cleansing your face. And also if we talk about this packaging, oh my god, look at this packaging guys. It looks super aesthetic, and also if you are a college going girl or a working woman, it's so compact and you can just throw it in your purse and you're ready to use this one. It really is so good. It looks really classy. And also if we talk about the texture, it is like cream like texture. It is super soft. Fragrance of this is amazing guys. I totally fell in love with this fragrance. Even my mom also liked this fragrance so much, and it is suitable for almost all skin types because my mom also using this. We are having different skin types, but it really worked very well for both of us. Not only this, Face Shop products are very good for your skin. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to build up your skincare routine, just go check out their website. You'll have so many good products there. So, and also if I have to choose one product out of all those Face Shop products, oh my god, I love all of them, but if I have to choose, I'll go with this one. That is how much I love this product. Let's see how to use this product.
Take sufficient amount and rub it all over your face. If required, take sufficient amount of water and rub it all over your face. So gently massage it for at least 5 minutes, then wash it off with normal water. So this is how my skin looking. It looks so soft and so smooth. Just try it.
So the next product I'm going to be talking about is this scrub. It is Aroma Magic Mineral Glow Scrub. So it is 100% free from all harsh chemicals, alcohols, parabens and also sulfurs. And not only that, it doesn't have any artificial coloring, and they also mention it doesn't have any fragrance. But guys, it does have a fragrance. It is just a mild fragrance and it's really good, and the texture of this is so liquidy and is so gentle on your skin. It has got only a fine particle which really helps in removing those dead cells, and not only that, also having tea tree and rose and lavender essential oils which really helps in calming down your skin. So yeah, and not only that, it also having glycerin which really helps in making your skin very smooth, radiant and nourished throughout the day. So it is for 310 rupees. It consists of 200 ml, but the best part is that it is also having a mini version which is of 100 ml, which costs you around 190 rupees like that, but in Amazon you are getting it for 160 rupees. Yes, just check my description box below. So let's see how to use this scrub.
Wet your face and take required amount of scrub and massage it all over your face. At least massage it for 5 minutes. Use this scrub once in a week and let the scrub sit on your face for 10 minutes and wash it off with normal water. This removes dead skin cells and also reduces redness and irritation.
The next product is from L'Oreal Paris. It is Vitalif Crystal Micro Essence. I have bought this only and only because of listening to so many YouTubers talking about this product. They have gone crazily about this product. All YouTubers have spoken enough about this product, so like I really wanna try this out. So guys, it was really amazing. What it does is when you apply it, it goes 10 layers deeper into your skin, which leaves a clear and bright skin. It is also having a main ingredient like brightening salicylic acid, which really helps in removing those dead cells and also improves your skin texture. If you use this regularly on morning and night, it gives you a clear and crystal skin. It's having a water-like texture which really helps absorbing into the skin. It goes really 10 layers deep into the skin. That's the major difference between this and other creams. Other creams in the market just goes one layer, but this one goes 10 layers deep into the skin, so you're getting so much of protection from this. There are many sizes in this bottle, so it is 65 ml, which costs you around 800 rupees. Best part about this one is that it is also available in 22 ml, which costs you around 250 rupees, I think, which is a good price to begin with. So if you're a beginner and you really want to try this product, just go try that mini version, and later on you can just move on to the larger versions of this size, and it is also having a larger version which consists of 130 ml and which is very expensive. It costs you around 1400 rupees. Yeah.
Take at least 3 to 4 drops and gently rub it on your palms. Then pat it all over your skin for at least 1 or 2 minutes until it gets absorbed onto your skin. So just pat it. So this leaves a radiant and very clear skin. Just look at my skin right now. It is just glowing. I really love how my skin turns out after applying this.
So the next one I'm going to be sharing is this nail polish. It is from Faces Canada in the variant High Shine Nail Enamel. So this is the one I'm wearing right now on my fingers. If you really love lavender colors, so I love lavender colors so much, and so I really want to buy this color for a very long time, but I ended up buying some other colors because I didn't find this exactly the right shade. But now I'm really happy I found this color. It looks really classy, so aesthetic, so will be suitable for almost everyone, and it is super pigmented. You'll get this nails just within one coat only. So yeah, a big thumbs up to this product. This is a scalp massager. I hope you can see it. So it has got silicone crystals which acts really gentle on your scalp, and it really helps in removing those dandruff and dirt sitting on our scalp. I have been using this from past 4 months, and it is really a game changer for me. It really helped me in removing all this dandruff and also dirt. It cleanses my scalp really well. And if you're not shampooing your hair, but you're the one who likes to clean your hair like with only water without applying any shampoo, so if you use this one, it will really help you to remove all that junk sitting on your scalp. So yeah, really easy to use. Just keep your fingers like this and just wet your hair, and after that just take partition of hair and just rub it. That's it. That's all you need to do. And if you go and check these pictures in the Amazon website, you'll get a clear picture of how to use this. If you don't have this, just include this. I know it will be expensive, but it's really good. These are the products, if you invest in one time, these are going to stay for years with us. This comes under that category. So yeah, a big thumbs up to this product. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I have just included a very minimal products which I have been really enjoying recently. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment on what other videos you want me to do. So until my next video, bye bye.